Hi, it's me Nix and welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are here at Honda Cars Alabang. So yan, nighttime mode muna tayo. And we were reviewing this Honda CR-V VX AWD kung saan nakita nyo naman. So, comfortable, runnable vehicle, it stands for CR-V. And Honda CR-V is one of the vehicles that most highly popular, syempre, pagdating sa crossover class. And it's very handsome. When you look at the hood pa lang, and ang kulay nga pala nito is, I think it's, what is this? Sorry, is it silver or what? Medyo kasi color blind ako. Hindi ko alam kung silver to or what. You know, and gray pala. Gray yan, gray. And when you look at the grills natin dito sa front fascia, at naka-honeycomb din tayo with the large na nakalagay na H. Stands for Honda, syempre. And when it comes sa light natin, we have LED light. So LED na yan with daytime running light. And also, dito sa ating fog lamps, yan, naka-LED light pa rin tayo dito. And even sa ating turning signal is naka-sequential nga pala. And what else? So, when you look at the hood, sabi ko nga dito, it overflowing din dito. May mga line siya here. So, yan, ang Honda, syempre pag sinabi mong Honda, di ba, astigin and pampogi talagang tignan. And hindi lang pogi, sa performance naman, hindi naman din papakulito. And of course, when you look here sa ating side profile, so, tingnan natin, naka-body color na siya. Yung ating CR-V VX is body colored, even here sa ating door handle. So, yan. Meron tayong 360 sa mga safety features. Mamaya babanggitin natin pero hindi ko lalahatin because it's many to mention. So, yan. Kita nyo yung ating side profile sa ating side mirror and also here. Yan. Ganun pa rin. And naka-Michelin nga pala tayo dito. Yan. Diba? Naka-Michelin tayo dito. And nakalagay naman yung ating 235/60 R18 sa ating rear tires. Alright? And when you look at the, what is this? The rear end, here, meron tayong shark fin dito, naka-body color, and also sa spoiler natin. So, meron tayong third braking light, and the fogger, and the wipe, and wiper natin, and yung Honda pa rin na emblem natin na naka-chrome material na Honda. And also CR-V. Yung LED light is also naka-LED. Naka-LED pa rin tayo dito. And of course, nakalagay naman dito na AWD. Alright, it's a bumper natin. Of course, di mawawala ang ating parking sensor. So, we have parking sensor. So, that is the important when it comes siyempre pag magpapark tayo, diba? So, nakakatulong din yung parking sensor natin. And what else? So, banggit ko na rito, well, hindi naman body color lang yung meron tayo dito sa ating VX. We also have chrome here sa paligid hanggang dulo. Alright, naka 1.5 liters turbo or 7-speed automatic transmission nga tayo. And just take a look here sa interior and sa driver seats. Alright, pagpasok ko pa lang dito, nakita ko na agad yung wood material niya yan. Wood accent. Plus piano black finish. Wow, astigin. And I think it's memory seats. Ayan na nakalagay dito. And meron dito tayong door lock and unlock. Naka-plastic lang. Kaya hindi natin makita. Yan. Door lock and unlock also sa ating bintana, sa window natin. Window. And also we have speakers and bottle holder. So here naman sa ating dashboard. And it's like not bad. For the very soft naman din material yung gamit. Di naman siya sobrang plastic. And also here, honeycomb pa rin yung ating AC. Yan. And ito yung ating traction control. Yan. Siyempre, sa mga safety features. And yung ating doubling ng headlight to. May numbering. And hindi na masama dahil sa ating steering wheel, we have leather wrap. Nice. Leather wrap material. And also, meron din tayo ditong I think it's adaptive cruise control. Yan, I think. Just comment down below kung tama man ako dito. And meron din tayong mga lane keep assist, I think lane departure warning sa mga safety features dito sa ating VX, dito sa ating CR-V. And may voice command din dito sa mga audio calls, and yun yung ating mga controls here. And even with Honda, the logo here. And the wiper, and the sa headlight, fog lamps, yan. And syempre, alam niyo na naman din yung ating gauge, diba? So, we have speedometer and tachometer when you drive. Yan, importante yan na kita-kita nyo at kailangan nyo tignan lagi yan. Of course, it's so simple lang naman yung ating instrumental, what is this? Instrumental cluster, I think yan. Sorry? Infotainment system rather. And infotainment system, so meron na rin yung Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And naka-honeycomb nga tayo. Napansin ko lang na dito pala, hanggang dito pala sa gitna natin, hanggang dulo is naka-honeycomb, and also wood accent pa rin, yung hazard natin. And the AC, the AC mode, meron din pala tayo dito, I think, meron din pala heater dito. I think so. Just comment down below. And ayan, nakalagay naman, naka-drawing yung wireless charging natin. And of course, 12-volt socket. And yan, yung charging port. Pwede kayo mag-charge dyan. And dito yung ating knobs, thermostat for the AC, and yung ating shifter. Oh, okay, may naka-icon din pala tayo dito. Ito yung sinasabi nating wala tayong traditional handbrake, but we have electronic parking brake with auto hold, brake hold, yan, nakalagay naman yan. And I think it's hill descent control to hill start assist. I think so. So, tignan ko lang dito. Yun, okay, meron tayong lane keep assist and road departure warning. Sabi sa safety features natin. And what else? Cup holder, dalawang cup holder. Yan, yung armrest natin, very huge. You see? And, yan, may tray din. So, wala tayo ditong volt socket kasi nandun naman yung ating pang charge. Alright, and, of course, here, yan. Okay, yung mirror natin. And the map light here. Yan, map light. Yung ilaw natin dito, and also sunglass holder, stigin to, pwede kayo magsalamin pa rito. Yan, so yung ating rearview mirror, and so on. And of course, di ko makakalimutan yung ating seats. It's so soft and comfortable. So kita nyo naman, it's leather material, and also here, yan, leather material din tayo dito. And maganda dito is, automatic na siya, yan. Automatic na siyang hindi na siya kailangan i-adjust ng manually because it's electronic na. Alright, so ito yung masasabi ko dito sa ating driver seat. Take a look naman natin yung ating second row. And dito sa ating second row. Alright. Okay, so second row naman natin is, ang masasabi ko rito, it's can complement because of the spacing niya when it comes sa ating knee room and dito sa ating leg room and so on dito sa ating headroom. Yan, meron tayo ditong grab handle. So yung ating upuan dito, it's yan, soft talaga. At alam mo, it's so very clean and simple dito sa ating Honda CR-V BS. And meron din tayo ditong armrest. Laki rin So cup holder here. Yan. So, I think it's, how many seats? 7 ba? 7. So, 7 seats. So, sabi nga niya, hindi lang pampamilya. Diba? Pwede siya maramihan din. Actually, pinapaupo naman mostly in the middle is the child and mga bata dito. And sa likod naman natin, ayan. And here. And here. And when it comes sa ating likuran, sa pinakalikuran, actually it's natatumble siya. If you want to adjust naman, syempre, mas maluwag sa second row. Pero kung very generous naman yung second row, you can adjust naman paabante para may space din sila. Natatumble naman yan. Right? And it's just the same, the door panel here. It's the wood accent and piano black finish when it comes sa ating, and simple lang. Alright, may din pala siya, soft material dito with leather. And there you have it. Yan. So, yun. So, banggitin ko lang din yung sa ating front tire nga pala. Nabanggit ko lang kasi sa rear tire is 3560R18. So, now Michelin. And also, dito sa ating fender, we have reflector nga pala. Dito sa portion ng fender niya, diba? Stig. Alright, bira lang makita nito yun. Sa sasakyan. And sa mga safety features naman natin, we have 360 camera, yung Honda sensing natin, yung autonomous, emergency braking, sabi ko nga lane departure, warning, lane keep assist, and road departure mitigation. Yun yung mga nasa Hindi ko na binanggit kasi sobrang dami niya. So, alam niyo na lang dito, just visit dito sa ating Honda Cars Alabang. And message nyo lang din yung page nila. And also, thank you for having us here, Sir Marco. Yan, yung kausap ko dito. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Motomo, Facebook, and TikTok. So, see you in our next videos. Bye! So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Honda Cars Alabang kung saan kasama ko si Sir Marco. Ayan, one of the handsome here sa ating Honda Cars Alabang. And Sir, baka may gusto ko yung invite dito sa showroom.
Okay. Una sa lahat, thank you for covering the Honda Cars Alabang and me. As your sales executive, I'm Marco Manabi. You can contact me for 0994-631-1248. And then for demonstration arrangement, and then test drive, and then for car loan approvals, you can contact me. We are open from Monday to Saturdays at 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then every Sundays is 8 to 5 p.m.
Alright, yan, kontakin nyo lang si Sir Marco for more details. And kung gusto nyo bumisit, dito lang yan sa Honda Cars Alabang.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Sir, for having us here. And see you in our next visit. Bye!